Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Shopify Flow for AI customer experiences, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Shopify Flow, log into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the Apps section located on the left-hand sidebar. In the Apps section, scroll to find and select Shopify Flow. Once in Shopify Flow, click on the Settings option. Look for the Integrations tab within the Settings menu. Click on the Add Integration button. From the list of available integrations, find and select your desired AI customer experience tool. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your AI tool to Shopify Flow. You may need to provide your AI tool's API key or any other required credentials. After entering the required information, click on the Authorize button. Confirm any permissions the AI tool requests to ensure full functionality. Once authorization is successfully completed, you'll receive a confirmation message. Return to the main dashboard of Shopify Flow to see your newly integrated AI tool listed. You can now create automated workflows utilizing your AI tool. To set up a new flow, click on the Create Workflow button. Define the starting trigger for your workflow, which can be based on various customer behaviors. Next, choose the actions you want your AI tool to perform during this workflow. You can segment customer data, personalize responses, or provide automated assistance. Review your workflow settings carefully to ensure they align with your customer experience goals. After reviewing, click on the Save button to finalize your workflow settings. Testing your newly created workflow is crucial to identify any areas of improvement. Monitor the performance of your AI customer experiences regularly through Shopify Flow Analytics. Adjust your workflows as needed to enhance customer interactions based on data insights. With the authorization complete, you can effectively streamline customer experiences using AI in your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.